Hello friends, welcome. Let's write a program to swap two numbers without use of any temporary variable in C++. Okay, let me first take the variables in TA, declare the variables here. I have declared the variables and let's ask user to give these two variables as input. I'm asking user enter the values of A and B respectively. Respectively means in order. So I am asking the user to give the input. So I will take the input here A, the value of A, and then the value of B. Okay, now let me print this before swapping. It is before swapping. Before swapping. Before swapping, the values of A and B are A is equals to A and space B is equals to B over here. And then let's check it by running it. It is asking to enter the values of A and B respectively. So I am entering the value of A as 4 and value of B as 5. So before swapping, value of A is 4 and B is 5. So let's try swapping it without use of any other temporary variable. Okay, I'm writing here A is equals to A plus B. Let's see what. A is equals to A plus B means here we have A plus B. A is 4 plus B is 5, which is nothing but 4 plus 5 is 9. So A will hold the value of 9. Now A will become 9. So let's see. A will become 9. Now I am writing B is equals to A minus B. B is equals to A minus B. Now let's see what is the value of B. B is equals to A minus B. You can see now the current value of A is 9. So 9 minus what is the value of B? Here the value of B is 5 over here. So which is nothing but 9 minus 5 is 4. So now B will have the value of 4. Okay. Now I'm writing A is equals to A minus B. Let's see. A is equals to what's the value of A? 9 minus what's the current value of B, which is 4. So which is nothing but 9 minus 4 is 5. So now the current value of A will be 5, which is assigned. So you can see here the initial value of A is 4, but after performing this set of operations we got the value of A as 5 over here, you can see, and the value of B initially is 5, and after performing this set of operations we got the value of B as 4. Let's see by printing them. See out AFT after swapping the values. Let's see. Let me copy paste this. Okay, let me run it once again. Okay, I am entering, you can take any value. Let's say I am entering the value of A as 2 and the value of B as 6. You can see before swapping value of A is 2 and B is 6, and after swapping we can see the value of A is 6, which is the initial value of B, and now the value of B is 2, which is initial value of A. So we can see this is how we can swap two variables without use of temporary variable. This is one method of doing using the arithmetic operation, and we also have one more method of doing it, which is using XOR operation. Let's write a program for it as well. Okay, first let me clear this logic, which is nothing but for arithmetic operations. So we have these variables which I have taken initially, and before swapping, after swapping, we need to perform some logic using XOR operations here, so that they will be swapped without using any other temporary variables. So I'm writing here A is equals to A XOR B. This is symbol for XOR, and I'm writing B is equals to A XOR B, and then again A is equals to A XOR B. Now let's check by running it. Value of A I am entering it as 3, and the value of B I am entering it as 6. See, before swapping we have the values of A is equals to 3 and B equals to 6, and after swapping, if you see value of A equals to 6, which is nothing but the initial value of B, and value of B is equals to 3 after swapping, which is nothing but the initial value of A. This is how we swap two variables using XOR operation. If you want to know how this is happening internally, please try converting these values of A and B to its binary form and perform XOR operation. Then you will get idea how these are swapping internally. So if you like the video, please subscribe and like the video, and if you please share the video. Thank you.